In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn how to coordinate the plane. So a plane is a two-dimensional region of space. We can think of it like a piece of paper. We can coordinate a plane by adding a set of axes and labeling them appropriately. So these are called the axes, or axis is the singular. We label them X and Y. So X is always the horizontal line and Y is always the vertical line. So this is the coordinate plane, or the XY axis. A coordinate gives us a location on a plane. Think of this as giving the location of a certain country on a map. So let's give the coordinates for the location of Ireland. So we're using the letter on the horizontal line, which is M. And we're using the letters on the vertical line, so it's K. So Ireland is in the block MK. Now let's discuss points on a plane. In the same way, we can give the location of any point on the XY plane by giving its coordinates. First, we must assign each box with a value. So on the x-axis, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So increasing as it goes to the right. And then on the left side of the x-axis, we have our negative values. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and so on. So this is the same as a number line that we would have seen before. So our positive and negative values. We do the same now on the y-axis. So at the top we have our positive values, and at the bottom we have our negative values. So it's important that we learn how to do this accurately from the start. Let's discuss the notation we use when identifying points. We usually identify a point with a letter. So in this case we'll take the letter A. And then we want the X and the Y value. So it's 3 on the X-axis and 5 on the Y-axis. So therefore our point is going to be A, 3, 5. So X we call the X coordinate. So in this case it's 3. And Y we call the Y coordinate. And in this case it's 5. So we have the point 3, 5, our X coordinate is 3, and our Y coordinate is 5. So let's practice plotting the following points. Again, the first thing that we want to do is to put our values on both axes. So now let's plot the points. So A is 3, 2. So I'm looking for 3 on the x-axis, which will be between 2 and 4. And 2 on the y-axis. I'll plot my point A here. B, I have -5 on the x and 1 on the y. C, -2 on the x and -3 on the y. And D is 6 on the x-axis, -4 on the y-axis. Now we're going to identify the following points. So the point E, my X value is 3, my Y value is 5. For F, my X value is -7, and my Y value again is 5. G, my X value is 2, and my Y value is -4. And for H, my X value is -5, and my Y value is -2. So when you're doing this, you don't need to draw the lines that I've drawn here, but it just helps me to show you how I'm identifying the points. For more information, visit PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.